Monkey see big triangle rock. Monkey ask, who build rock?
Huh?
Monkey no. Human no one know. Pyramid just there. If small rock stack, wind say bye. If triangle rock stack, wind say okay fine. Triangle strong. Triangle no fall. Triangle shape equals big brain, but pyramid not small. Pyramid big. Pyramid huge.
Ooh, yeah.
Monkey ask,
Huh?
how ancient monkey lift 2-ton rock? Aliens? No. Slaves? Maybe. Paid workers with bread and beer? Actually, yes. Monkey confused. You tell monkey. 40,000 humans pull rock with rope for 20 years. Monkey say, bro what? Why make triangle rock? Grave for dead king? Monkey no build house for dead banana. But ancient monkey build skyscraper for dead dude. Pharaoh say build pyramid or I throw you in Nile. Worker say okay. Pyramid done, Pharaoh dead. Put in pyramid, then grave robbers come, take shiny things. Oops. So now pyramid just big triangle. Full of dust, no king, no gold. Just tourists taking selfie. Monkey go to Egypt. Monkey stare at triangle. Monkey still confused. How did ancient monkey do that? Science say ramps and levers. Monkey say sus. But okay. Moral of story. Build triangle, not square. Square week. Triangle forever. Please subscribe. Monkey need banana. Thank.